Hi everyone, I'm back. Today I'm gonna do a short hike around Radnor Lake.
Radnor Lake State Park is a 1,368-acre nature preserve in Nashville's Oak Hill neighborhood, featuring an 85-acre lake and over 7.75 miles of hiking trails. It's perfect for hiking, birdwatching, and spotting wildlife like deer and otters. Enjoy scenic views, especially during sunrise and sunset. Radnor Lake State Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. You can spot various animals and birds, including mammals, white-tailed deer, otters, raccoons, and squirrels. Birds, over 211 species have been documented, including waterfowl, ducks, geese, herons, and egrets. Raptors, hawks, eagles, and owls. Songbirds, warblers, tanagers, and orioles. Other birds, woodpeckers, kingfishers, and more. The park's diverse habitats, including forests, wetlands, and the lake, support a wide range of wildlife. Keep an eye out for turtles, fish, and other aquatic life too. If you enjoy my short hike videos around Nashville, please subscribe for more. Happy holidays!